Welcome everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'll show a really simple way how you can easily, how would I say it, write in chat in mangas. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just be in Among Us, and when you're here, you let's go online and host the game, and then how to write in chat. So you have this in next to the settings, you're gonna see this text box, and here you just like simple right here, hey there, and voila. So this is how we do it, and this is how we can simply make it. Thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions, ask me down in the comments. I'll be happy to help you. And yeah, goodbye.